Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you're updated on my new videos. Thanks. What is up, Vnation? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vin Dadi. So right here we have a 2010 Honda Fit 1.5 liter. So as you guys saw, I did a service on it. Pretty straightforward. Drain plugs at the bottom is 17, and then a 7317 oil filter. And the oil it takes is 5W20, roughly about 3.5 to 4, depending on how much you drain it. So double check on the dipstick for that one. And I also did tune up. So as you guys saw, it's behind the intake, so you just gotta feel it. You gotta remove 4 10mm bolts to get the spark plug coil out, and then it's a 5/8 for the spark plugs. Anyways guys, I just wanted to show you guys quickly what this 2010 Honda Fit looks like. As you guys can see, it's a beautiful day in Vancouver, BC. So that's what it looks like, guys. Guys, it's saying right there, oil light 15%, and there's a wrench. I'm gonna show you guys how to reset it. So first, you wanna have the key off and then put it to run position, which is position 2. And then you will see that, and then you hold on this reset button until you see it blink. So good 10 to 15 seconds. So once it blinks, you let go, and then you hold on it again for another 5 seconds. And there you go, oil light 100%. So that's what this 2010 Honda Fit looks like, guys. It's a pretty cute car. Good on gas for sure, it's a gas saver. But look at that beautiful day, guys. It's been raining pretty much last week and Monday, Tuesday, but now the sun just came out, which is beautiful. Anyways guys, thanks again for tuning into my channel. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.
Yeah.